Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to draw right here on cTrader. And if you want to draw, you need this toolbar right here on your right. Because if you go with our cursor down, 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 and down, and down, now we are having pencil. And if you now click on pencil and we click and hold it again right here, we can draw right now what we want to draw. So if you want to draw right now, hold it right there. And now if I draw my finger from the mouse, you see right here that he asking us if you want to change the color, change the lines, or if you go to settings, we can also change here a lot. But right now this is fine, then we click on OK. If you want to delete this, now let's do, for example, we click away, click now again on it, and then you can click here on delete. So this is how you can draw in cTrader. Hopefully this was the video we was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.